Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dami, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my aloe vera hair butter to achieve maximum hair growth. If you guys would like to see how I make my hair butter, then stay tuned. Okay you guys, so to get started, the first thing you need is your aloe vera plant. I'm just gonna cut this in half because I'm not gonna be making a big batch today. I do not have a lot of shea butter left, so I'm just going based on the amount of ingredients I have for the butter today. So you guys, all you need to do is to trim the sides, and you can either blend to get the aloe vera juice or you can scrape the aloe vera plant itself. I chose to scrape the aloe vera plant to get the juice, but as I've stated, you can also blend it as well, and that will work just fine. If you guys would like to see videos on how I go about blending my aloe vera to get the juice, then definitely click the cards above to see an alternate way of getting the aloe vera juice instead of scraping it as I'm doing now. Okay guys, so now on to making the butter. First you'll need shea butter. You can get this from either Amazon or your local beauty supply store. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and this was the white chunky version. I also ended up finding the yellow smooth version as well in my cabinet, so I did end up adding that to my mixture as well, just to get a little bit more out of the aloe vera juice that I had. And next, now you'll need the Jamaican black castor oil. Again, with the oil mixtures, you can use oils that work for your hair. Next, you'll need argan oil and black seed oil. And now to add the aloe vera juice, I did go ahead and start putting in small amounts at a time, just so that I did not mess the mixture up. After adding my ingredients to the bowl, I did go ahead and take the bowl and put it over boiling hot water, just so that the shea butter and my oils could melt and come together. I then ended up putting the bowl into the refrigerator so that it could cool. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and take now my handheld mixer and mix it all together so that it becomes a creamy consistency. Okay, so guys, I left this in my fridge for literally 5 minutes, and this is how hard it was after I took it out. So it was a little bit of a struggle, but not too much. It did ended up coming together quite nicely. But yeah, just make sure to watch it when you put it in the fridge. So this is how your butter should be coming together. It should be coming together a lot smoother, a lot creamier. You guys, I love this. My hair has been loving this butter. If I'm not alternating between the Fennel Creek butter, I'm using this one. And you guys, this has worked wonders as well for my skin. It's been a little bit colder down here in the south. I live in Florida, and once it hits 70 degrees, we are crying for the cold. So this has really been helpful. My hair's loved this. If you guys would like to achieve healthy, fast growing hair and healthy skin, I do recommend you trying this out, especially during these cold winter times. Okay guys, so to containerize my hair butter, I'm just gonna reuse the shea butter container I had from before, and that is it, you guys. It's so simple and easy to make. I would also love to know if you guys have ever done your own DIY hair butter. If not, would you try this one? Definitely leave your thoughts down in the comment sections down below. And yeah, you guys, this is it for the video. Look at how creamy that butter is. Oh my god, I love this stuff. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!